is coming from the top, but the rod was coming from the bottom. So this has to be welded up here, right, like this. And so the rod should hook up right here, right into here, that pushes it up and down. But look at how close it is to it. It's like right above the thing. So
I see it.
When this thing is getting pushed, I think it might just push it down like that. When that goes down like that, I think it's gonna go like that and open the door. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
So we might not even need the rod that go, because the rod goes in here and it went to the top of the door handle up here, and when you lift it, it would push it down and push that down and open it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
gotcha.
this will be welded strictly to that, and see when the handle opens, it folds that piece down which will unlock that.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna need to do is get it in there and then get this adjusted to where it's hitting right on that and open it, and then I'll weld it in right there.
Okay.
But other than that, I mean, it's fucking cake. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When we get them in, it's gonna actually be hard as a motherfucker. That was a good idea. That was a real good idea. Yeah, man. And honestly, it's just real straightforward.
Okay.
You gotta figure out that rod, if that thing goes on the top of the rod or on the bottom or whatever. But like I said, in this case, it's right above it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think that's gonna work perfect. And then this is the back of the door jamb. The handle was out. I had to trim it out that far.
Okay.
And so the actual piece, the end of the piece will be about right here. You know, you won't be able to tell because I'm going to put another piece of metal over the piece. The piece is going to be from the back, in the door in the back, and then I'll weld it. And then I'll come with another face piece over the top that fits in here right around the edge of the door handle, and I'll weld it to the door handle all the way around.
Okay. All right. So it'll be this way then. Click.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yes, sir. Just like that. Clean too. Clean. It looks nice on here, man. I'm telling you, from that recess where the door handle was at to going flat on there, it's going to give it a whole different look. Different look.
Just from that one when you had it mocked up, I think you had it on the passenger,
I had it on the other
and
side
it was just sitting like that. I said, hell yeah.
I put it inside, like I said, it's going to come from the inside and sit behind there, and I'll weld it. I'll probably, where it touches is about right here and right here, and right here in the front. So what I do is put it in the back and I'll weld it. Weld it, it'll stay there, and then I'll make the face piece that fits over it and shit, and weld that shit all on that shit. That's going to be a huge touch though. And a lot of people ain't even going to realize that it's on there. It's going to be so subtle, but when they do it, they're like, God damn. Because it's going to give it a whole different look in that recessed door handle look. And it knocked the locks out at the same time, so getting rid of the locks was also an awesome idea, because we was going to have to chop them out no matter what. You know what I mean? We couldn't have put the door handle in without taking the locks out, because the door handle comes all the way up there, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because the handle was right here, and the lock was right here.
All right.
So it went exactly right there.
Fuck without the poppers.
Yeah, you would have had to take the locks off anyway.
Damn.
And then, you know, so yeah, you're gonna be all, you're gonna love that. And then popping all pop of the trunk, popping, they're all pop. You know what I mean? So popping them with the handles too. I mean, fuck, dude. That was a good idea.
Yeah, I appreciate
Nobody's got that. Nobody's got that. I got one of the trunk torsion bars on. We gotta get the other one on. We was wrestling with it, trying to get it on.
It's about to be back pretty soon, yo.
So her name is Miranda. So she's gonna send you the PDF, and she said she'll give you all the money. All the money and Portland for building stuff, because so they rebuild the whole house, right? Because they try to sell, they try to make her abandon the house. She's like, fuck it.
Here we go, the first test run. I customized the rod. I moved the handle up an inch to give it a little bit of space. Here they go. And the door is open. Yes, sir. So we got shut. Open. Yes, sir. We got it.